Yes, that is what I want to know from my management. Is Iron Orchard getting its tax transparency soon? The reason behind this question is basically how can CICT give me more dividends? Background of Iron Orchard acquisition, it entered the portfolio on 29th October 2024. So from then till now, it's coming close to 6 months. Because the AGM, it's coming this Tuesday. There's one thing I wanted to ask, because if not, the whole acquisition of Iron Orchard seems to be kind of not really that DPU accretive. If you're attending the CICT AGM, do let me know in the comments below so that I can reach out to you and probably can learn from each other. So earlier this week, I received this question in my Fraser Centrepoint Trust video. Considering the economic and escalating living costs, can I share my insights on how to sustain profitability? My first version of this answer was pretty long. Take the annual report, flip to the 3 financial statements, but I thought perhaps I'll just keep it short and sweet. First, note that businesses can pass costs to the consumers. It is just only how much cost can be transferred. And the second step, you might want to watch this video because I believe it is one step to sustain profits.